So yo, what's up guys, how are you? Welcome to my new video. So today we are making gulty longinus. So let's start. So firstly we will create the chip, longinus chip. So first I will cut 3 pieces like that, and the template I have used was printed. You can also draw it. Okay, first stick it. Now it will stick and look like this. Okay, now it's time to make the core, DV core. So here's the template, and I have cut it same like that template, and one template like this, you can see. Now stick it with glue. Okay, after sticking it will look like this. Okay guys, now it's time to stick the DV chip on the DV core. You stick it like this, okay, with glue. So after sticking it will look like this, you can see guys. Okay, now it's time to make the layer. You can see here is the template of gulty layer, and I have cut it same pieces like this and this. 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have to make 6 cardboard pieces and 1 cardboard piece like this, from which the DV core will stop. Okay, now stick it all with glue. Okay, let me stick. So after sticking guys, it will look like this, you can see. And the DV core, it's time to fix the DV core in the layer. Let's see how it fits. Yeah guys, it fits. It's tightly fits and very good, you can see in the video. And I have also made the gulty upper. You can make it like this. What I doing, see carefully. This is the 3D design I will making. See carefully. Okay guys, now done. You can see the gulty upper. It's looking like this, the 3D look. Okay guys, now let's make the armor. So to make the armor, you have to take 3 cardboard pieces like this. Okay, now stick it with glue. So after sticking, it would look like this. Now let's make the disc. So to make the disc, you have to cut 3 circles and 1 circle inside the circle. Okay, and 1 big circle and a hole on it, and make 3 rings like this, you see in the video. Okay, and 1 cardboard pieces like this I have cut it. Now stick these 3 cardboard pieces with glue. After sticking, it will look like this. Okay, now stick this cardboard piece, and the 3 rings will be stick like this, seen in the video. Okay, after sticking it will look like this. And I have also put the M seal in the disc, so the disc will be heavier. You can also use clay if you don't have M seal. After, and then stick this circle on it. Now it will be look like this guys, you can see, and it will be heavy and the Beyblade will spin for a long time. Now stick this small circle on the big circle. Okay guys, after sticking it will be look like this. Now stick these 2 cardboard pieces on the disc like that, shown in the video. Okay guys, So after sticking, it will be look like this, and the disc will be ready. Now let's make the driver. To make the driver, you have to take 3 circles like this, and a big circle from the 3 circles. Okay, and take the circles from descending order. 1 to 6 cardboard pieces you need to descending order. First stick these 3 cardboard pieces circles, and then stick these circles on the big circle cardboard. Okay guys, with glue. Now it's done, and it will look like this. Now you have to stick these circles descending orders, and now it will be sticken, and it will look like this. Now stick this point. I have cutted it from sketch pen cap. Okay guys, now stick this. I have sticking this, and it will be look like this guys. You can see the video. Now let's spin this. You can see it will be spin like this, and it's spinning very cool guys. Now stick it on the circles I have sticken before. Now it will be look like this guys. Now it's time to stick the bus function system on the driver like this. Now stick this bus function system second part on the DB core like this. Okay guys, don't stick it like this, stick it like this. Okay, shown in the video. Now it's done. After setting, it will be look like this. Now the barrier are ready. Now assemble this part. So firstly we will assemble the DB core. Okay guys, so let's stick this. Assemble this. So the DB core is fitted very tightly. Now assemble the armor I have assembled. Okay guys, now fit the disc will be fitted like this. Now fit the driver, like this, and now see it will be fitted very tightly, and it will never lose. Okay guys, and it will burst. Now spin this, and it's spinning very freely guys. You have to make this like. Okay guys, now let's spin test. So guys, as you can see, it will be spinning very fastly, and it will be attack type. You can see spinning very safely, and it have balance type also. Let's do battles. Okay guys, thank you for watching.